What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 2:22 a.m. on Wednesday the 13th of September, and yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. We're gonna start with DXY. You can see we traded down into this daily fair value gap. We haven't actually filled it, and it does seem like we're gonna continue to respect this 50% level off it. Let me just delineate that now. But overall, we've had quite a consolidated day in general, so not much going on, and that's obviously quiet, and that's quite normal for a Monday and Tuesday when we have CPI about to wreck the charts tomorrow and Wednesday. So not too much has been going on. What am I expecting? I still want to see a run up into this volume imbalance delineated in blue, and I still want to see if we can reach up to that 105 level, 105.883 level, 105.8 level, where the buy side liquidity resides. So tomorrow, we'll see how it treats the rest of the fair value gap. We might want to take out these lows one more time, rest in here, and then I'd like to see us move higher with CPI again and take out the high created on Thursday last week, fill in that volume imbalance and see if we can reach for that buy side liquidity up here. So really nothing much has changed. My bias is staying pretty much all the same. You can go and watch the Sunday review if you haven't seen that already, where I outline my bias. But yeah, I'm not really going to get too deep into things right now because it's been quite just a consolidated day in general. Not the best. You can see we traded higher during London, consolidated, and then after that from London close, we started to break lower and we ran back down into the fair value gap. So a lot of back and forth action right now. Let's go to GBP. Let's go to GBP USD. We'll go on the daily, and you can see that we traded down, taking out Monday's low, and we closed just here. And you can see there's a lot of wicks, and you'll see how we're wicking a lot in this fair value gap resting here. So it'll be interesting to see if we want to expand through that with it. Expand away from that with CPI tomorrow. Look at how the bodies are respecting it. Yes, we've wicked through it, but the bodies continue to respect it. So if we continue to see this kind of price action, then I want to see us push lower, taking out Thursday's low, and then potentially running down into the sell side that resides below here. So again, all of this I pointed out in the Sunday review, so I'll make sure to link that in this video for you guys to go check out. Let's go to Euro. Euro, quite similar. We traded into a fair value gap. Again, a lot of wick action, and now we're just residing within that fair value gap. Again, I'm expecting lower prices. We do have this low resting below here with Euro, so it'll be interesting to see if we want to take out that. Let's put south side, and yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. I'm just waiting I'm just awaiting an expansion. I wouldn't be trading tomorrow unless it's London session or after CPI, so I'd stay out the charts in general if I was you. And yeah, that's going to be everything, guys. Another quick one, but I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.